Hey guys, I got this product to review, and not only is it interactive, but it's also educational. So you've got the little user's manual, you've got the play device itself, you've got a USB to USB cord for charging, and then you've got 60 cards here to choose from. Now the cards here are anywhere from vehicles to food to clothing to common goods inside of the house. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to switch this here to the on mode.
Hello, nice to meet you. Let's sing now.
It has 5 different volumes, so to change it, you're just going to hit this volume here, and that will just cue that it is the highest volume. And then to turn it down, you'll just also hit that again. This button here, it's got different songs to it. So if you hit this button,
Happy New Year. Food party. Jingle bell.
you can switch through different music, which will switch through different songs. To turn it off, you're just going to long hold it. Now, for the educational piece of this, these are your cards here. It's important that you can see these little slatted circles here. This is where you are going to need to press in order to get the device to say what you need. So it will automatically turn on to testing mode.
Please find out the cards. Orange.
And then to charge it, your cord is going to go right into here. Not only is this a great interactive game, but it's also educational as well. And it's recommended for ages 3 and up. So it's a really fun, interactive way. It's compact enough for on the go. So go check it out.